In this video, we will gonna discuss the effects of electric current. When current flows in a circuit, it exhibits various effects. The main effects are magnetic effect, chemical effect, and heating effect. Let's discuss the first one, heating effect. In this, when the flow of current is resisted, generally heat is produced because of the electrons while moving in a wire or a resistor create resistance. Work has to be done to overcome this resistance, which is converted into heat energy, and this heat energy is converted into electrical energy. This principle is also known as Joule heating. The practical applications of heating effects are iron box, water heater, toaster, cooker, water heater, irons, kettles, etc. The other type is magnetic effect of electricity, in which when a wire or a conductor carrying current develop a magnetic field which is perpendicular to the direction of flow of current. This is known as magnetic effect. The direction of current is shown by right hand rule. According to this rule, the thumbs give the direction of current while the finger gives the direction of magnetic field, which is perpendicular to the rod. Some practical applications are relays, motors, generators, transformer, car ignitions, etc. Chemical effect. The case in which the electrons can conduct electricity is known as chemical effect. Here, when current passes through electrolyte like copper sulfate solution, both the electrons and positive charge copper ion conduct electricity. The process of conduction of electric current through solution is known as electrolysis. The solution in which the electricity passes is known as electrolyte. The positive terminal inserted into solution is called anode, while the negative terminal is known as cathode, as shown in the figure below. Copper wire is usually used as anode, while the carbon rod is usually used as cathode. Some practical applications of chemical effects are primary and secondary cells and electroplanting. Thank you.